Hello dear Leo, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for the month of September. This is going to happen from the 22nd to the 28th of September. So yes, this is a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Leo. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you could be dealing with a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising by the way, or you could have a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising in your own birth chart. You've got the 8 of Suns and the 3 of Stars. I do see that some of you have gone through a really bad separation, okay, a no contact situation, or maybe you're going through that. Some of you are still hopeful that you will reunite with this person while the others want to just move forward and start a new relationship or probably get married. Well, both of you are on the right track. People who want a reconciliation this week, you are going to be reconciled with this person, and people who are hoping for a better partner to come along, this week you will be finding someone who will love you just the way you love them, right? Which means that this is going to be a mutual love. I also see that in case in the past this partner did not respect you, then maybe now they will come back with a lot of love for you, a lot of respect for you. I do see mutual love, I do see celebration in the air, and I also see progress in your relationships. In the past, if you and your spouse have been fighting or there have been issues between the two of you, this is going to be a much better week than the previous week. A lot of love, respect, mutual love is what I see, and a celebration in general of the relationships. So I do see reconciliation, I do see new relationship starting for you, and I also see marriage is on the table, right? A lot of you will be either getting married this week or at least you're starting the planning and the talking about it, right? Some sort of progress is happening. Maybe you're meeting the parents, talking to the parents, making it official on social media. So some sort of validation is definitely coming your way. So this week is going to bring a lot of happiness to you. I know that you have suffered in the past. I know you have been hurt in the past. This week is not going to be the same. So I want you to comment right now. I claim this reading. I manifest this reading so that that works out faster for you, faster than you can imagine. Now let's see what's happening in your your career, sorry. You've got the alchemist and the magician. Leos, you've always been a very adventurous kind of person, somebody who's always on the go. Probably you are in a traveling job, right? Maybe you travel a lot. Probably you're not settled in one place. But this week, something will shift inside you. This week, you will want to settle down in one place, probably invest somewhere in a property, in your own house, buy a new car, right? I do see you changing your plans. Your nature, your priorities changing this week, especially when it comes to your finances, right? I do see that you want a more stable or slower life as compared to what you have preferred or the kind of person you have been in the past. Well, cards are saying that's good news. The magician card is there, which means even if you think that I don't think that's possible, I don't think I will be able to buy a house or invest in a property or look for a job or get a job which is going to, be less demanding when it comes to commute or traveling, then worry not, fear not. Magician is on your side, which means that the cards are saying you do have the manifestation powers. You do have the powers to change your reality. And if you think positive, by the way, you can turn it into reality. But the catch here is that you will have to continue to think positive. In case you think negative, then you can attract negative circumstances also in your finances, which means if you think you're not going to get that, the loan is not going to be passed, the business is not going to grow, or I'm not going to clear that exam, then it is definitely going to manifest for you. So please think positive about it. Whether that's your love, whether that's your career, especially, please continue to think positive circumstances only, no matter if you can see it or not, no matter if it has manifested for you or not, but this week something is going to change for you. And yes, something for the better, both in your love life and your career. So I do see, Leos, this is going to be a very positive week for you. I want you to comment and say, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it works out faster for you. And yes, guys, this was a general reading. If you think you have very specific questions regarding your life, you can book a personal reading for yourself. Just have to email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com. This is also mentioned in my bio and my description box if I'm speaking too fast. Or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. You can follow me and then DM me so that I know that you are a follower, and I'll quickly reply to your queries if you want to know the prices or if you want to make any booking, whether that's a ritual that you want to book, whether that's a counseling session, whether that's a love reading or any package that you want to take. All the prices are going to be mentioned along with it. So yes, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, spread the word that this is going to be an amazing week for Leos, and be happy. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm going to see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.